Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this Midnight Muse Cat. You get it from watching Laufey's concert. Hope I said her name right. Um, and to do that, you're just going to go to this game. It's called Laufey the Block. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to like the game. Then you are going to watch the concert. It is available every 2 hours until today. So do that right now as you're watching this, hopefully. I'm just going to play the game here. And as you can see, I'll still need to wait around 46 minutes. As you can see, like this experience and attend the full Laufey concert to earn this cat, which I think is pretty cute. As you can see, it's going to start in 44 minutes. So I'm just going to set a timer on my phone. I'll be right back in around 44 minutes, watch the concert, and show you guys the super cute reward. Once you're done with the concert, you're just going to want to leave the game. And then you're just going to go to your profile, your avatar, go to the customize section, and you'll see it in the accessories folder under like the shoulder tab here. And as you can see, you'll have this free Cat UGC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.